Sunshine beams and the waves they dance. Palm trees swaying like they're in a trance. Golden sand sticking to my toes. Wherever I roam, the good vibes grow. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It's Florida Joe, yeah. Let's ride the tide with stories to tell in a world so wide. Adventure scar, let the spirit go. Hop aboard the dream with Florida Joe.
What's going on, folks? This is Florida Joe, and we are on our way to Boracay Island in the Philippines. Hang out with me as we travel there. We are on one of the boats provided by the Hennon Group that kind of manage several hotels on Boracay Island. We were staying at Crystal Sands while we were there. I just love how the water looks on our travel to Boracay Island. It just looked so beautiful and so clear. And here we are, we're coming up to Boracay Island Beach right now, and they just pull up right up on the beach, and there's like a little staircase that allows you to, make your way right onto the beach. And one of the favorite places for me to hang out was at the Sky Pool, and there's a sailboat going right past us. And it was just so nice to sit here. I was right there next to the pool bar. You could order a drink, order a sandwich. Beautiful view of the water and all the wonderful coconut trees. And here we were on the beach during high tide, and the water just comes up and surrounds the coconut trees, and people selling sunglasses. It was just kind of really cool, a different vibe than what I'm used to. And this part of the beach was right in front of the hotel that we were staying. During high tide, they pull all the chairs. Usually the chairs are in this area, and they pull all the chairs back away from this area because then they'd be underwater. But it was pretty cool. Pretty cool. And sometimes when you look up into the coconut trees. You could actually see coconuts up in there, and they had people that would climb them and take them down so that they didn't fall on anybody. It was, you can kind of see where they got the little steps cut into them. And I'd like to thank you for hanging out with me. If you would, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.